The Environment Canada forecast issued at 11:30 a.m. Wednesday, April 24th, for today and Thursday. Forecast for Lake Winnipeg South Basin for today, winds light, a mix of sun and cloud, 30% chance of showers late this afternoon. High 7, UV index 5 or moderate. For tonight, winds light, partly cloudy, 30% chance of showers early this evening. Low +3. For Thursday, winds west 30 kilometers per hour, mainly sunny, increasing cloudiness in the afternoon, then 60% chance of showers late in the afternoon. High 7, UV index 5 or moderate. Forecast for
You are listening to Weatheradio Canada's weekly test of your alert-equipped weather radio, broadcast every Wednesday near noon. Ceci est un message test émis tous les mercredis midi sur Radio Météo Canada. Ce message est destiné à tester les fonctions d'activation d'alarme et d'affichage des nouveaux récepteurs radio météo.